get started, you guys like the bracelet that I'm wearing on my wrist right now, then make sure you guys go to Sub.co and get yourself a bracelet and some sunglasses. They do have it for men and women. And use my promo code RCJ25 to get 25% off of your order. I got some heat right here. I got 2 hoodies and 1 shirt. 2 from different clothing brand, 1 from the homie that, I've been supporting since, he started, and a new clothing brand that he actually posted on his stories, so, of course, I had to check it out and support. And I'm actually pretty excited. So the first one let's go ahead and check out is this one, DeadBroke. If you guys have not heard of them, like y'all need to right now. Their Instagram will be in the link in the description or somewhere up on the screen. Make sure y'all follow them, hit them up in the DM, ask them if they got any Insta. I'm not sure what they have in stock, but just hit them up, ask them what they got, and just support them. Like, look at this. Let's go ahead and open it up right now. This shit is fire. This shit is not good too. This shit is fire. Yeah, all over red hoodie. I never had a red hoodie ever, so it's the first time. Got that really nice DeadBroke logo on there, and of course it is stitched on kind of like a, I believe, yeah, a patch. Looking very, very dope in my personal opinion. Of course, I'm gonna get you guys like a full-on body shot of the hoodie and stuff like that. Like basically a full body shot of everything that I have on here. That's definitely what I'm gonna start doing when I have clothes. Then of course on the hoodie, it does say DeadBroke on here. If I can just get it, there you go. It does say DeadBroke. Very, very dope in my personal opinion. And of course the inside of the hoodie, it also says the exact same thing. Let me see. Oh, here it is. Again, at the on the back, same thing. DeadBroke. Very, very dope. Again, I just been supporting the brand since I don't even remember, but it is a 2X. And just from looking at it, it definitely looks true to size to me. Shout out to my boy Jose, or also known as Mighty Graffiti. Make sure that also hit him up if you need some graphics done. He definitely got some good prices for any graphics that you need to get done. Just hit him up. Link in the description for his Instagram will be in the bottom in the description. And of course, let's go ahead and get into this one. So, this other brand that I bought, also known as, it's such a unique name that I wouldn't be able to pronounce it, but it's called Uneekly Nsane, and I thought it was a pretty dope name, a unique dope way to call that brand. And like I saw like a couple of items that they have on there, and your boy just had a cop. So put that over there, I might do this. Oh shit. Oh, they gave me a whole lot of shit. Hold on now. Oh shit. Oh yeah. They bless your boy. They definitely bless your boy. So of course, here it is. The sticker. Hopefully I can read that. Oh wait. The light is kinda. Hopefully I can see that. They're known as Uneekly Nsane. Kinda how you spell it right there. That's how it's spelled. Pretty dope in my personal opinion. Very dope looking stickers. Fire, fire, fire. And of course, they gave me some masks, which is actually pretty dope. Unfortunately, probably like when I go out and wear red, more than likely, that's probably how it's gonna be. So they gave me 2. So I might give one for my brother, give one to my brother, cause he always loses his mask. And of course, let's go ahead and get into. Oh shit! Oh, hold on. Oh, they gave me not 1 but 2 shirts. Oh shit! They blessing me. I was wondering, and it's weird because I was wondering why I got a big old box, but shoot, like, I only gave me 2, now they gave me 2 shirts. Hold on now. So this is actually the shirt that I ordered. I'm gonna go ahead and open that up right now. Like, this is the shirt that I ordered. Here it is. Hopefully you got to see that. Uniquely Insane. I really like that print right there. Like, that shit looks very, very dope in my personal opinion. Like, all over black shirt. It just looks so dope. Then of course the sizing tag right here, 2X. This is really dope. Like, this is what I really want for my clothing, but I need to make like a really unique sizing tag. I just need to get on that. Like, this shirt is very dope. I cannot wait to rock this. Definitely during the spring and summertime. And it's crazy because I didn't even order this. Like, look at this. I don't even know what this called. I'm probably gonna have to look it up in a minute, but gotta open this up. But I was not expecting them to give me, like I said, I only ordered the that shirt and the hoodie that I'm about to show you in a few, but I didn't expect them to give me another shirt. Like, they definitely showing love for your boy. So here, I actually don't know what this shirt is called, but I definitely did see it. I thought it was pretty dope, but I should pass on it because I really liked it that much. But honestly, looking at it now in hand, this is pretty dope. It's an elephant, or what's another name for an elephant? I'm not sure, but yeah, this should look dope. The white skull, the red outline, the black outline, and the hint of like yellow or gold. This should look fire though. And like, honestly, I can definitely rock this with my Pumas because it does have some yellow in it. But this shit is fire though. I'm not gonna lie. Like, but Uniquely Nsane, that definitely showing love to your boy way too much. But I definitely fuck with it. I might have to get more stuff on them eventually. And nothing else in the box. Now, this is a dope hoodie right here. Now, this will definitely look good with my outfits for sure. And go ahead and just open this up. Whew. Oh man. Oh, this shit fire. Hold on. Oh shit. Yeah, look at that. Got that emoji. Hold on. Gotta give it that proper look. Got that evil emoji looking face. One side is yellow, one side is purple with that red eye. Will indicate the Uniquely Insane logo inside of the eye. But this shit is fire. And of course, the hoodie, this says Insane. On the hoodie it does say Insane. This shit is fire, but I'm not gonna lie. Like, and it smells good too. Anything else? Nothing on the bottom. I think the inside, the side is, the side, well, isn't it yeah, it's a different color. So 2X, once again, different color, size and tag, label, and everything. But this hoodie is fire. But like, oh, look at this. Like I said, I wasn't expecting an extra shirt, but this is dope. This is pretty fire. Yeah, again, shout out to Uniquely Nsane, shout out to DeadBroke, shout out to the homie Jose. I really appreciate you guys. Keep doing what y'all doing. Hopefully I can get up there with you guys, because I do have my own clothing brand, union industry. I'm definitely trying to work on that as much as possible. I actually have a design that I'm working on at the moment. But these shits are fire. Y'all already know that. Like, that full body shop will be coming right now. So, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and share the video. Watch my video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. So you guys get up there and can live stream, put videos, stuff like that. And let me know if you guys like any of the stuff that I showed you. Like I said before, the hoodies, both hoodies are fire. The shirts are fire, especially the fact that I got a free one. That's dope. And like these masks are pretty dope. Like I said before, I'm gonna have to give one to my brother because he always loses his mask. But like I said before, that full body shot, like basically the full outfit shot, it's gonna be coming right now. So thank you guys for watching.